Alright, so we've had a little problem with this possum in our garage. I finally found him late at night. Don't do it. Get the hell out of here. Yeah, he ain't vicious, he's just scared. We're gonna let him go. Just don't come back. Yeah, he's a scared guy. You're good, buddy. Mission accomplished. Whoo, got some fellow rippers out there.
I always wear my goggles like this, dude.
It's the style, bro. Back on the KLX. Oh, they trying to block us off. Back on the KLX today, boys and girls. I heard someone.
You gotta push far down to hit my back brake right now.
Oh, really? We just saw someone ripping through here. It looked like he was on a YZ450 or something. I'm probably gonna be taking it a little bit easy today. My last video I talked about how I was bringing the KLX to the track with me this past weekend. Phew! But we found the other rippers. But nah, I'm gonna be taking it easy today because I went to the track Sunday and I took the 252 stroke out for like literally 2 laps, didn't crash. I talked about it on my Instagram. Didn't crash, didn't case the jump, nothing weird. I don't know if I just kind of, I don't know what happened, but it felt like I threw out my back. I could hardly walk. It was super beat. So this is like 2 days later now and I'm still not 100%, but we're out here. Extra GoPro battery with me too this morning, and I think I lost that, so that's sick. Woo! She's running up. Got a couple Advils in me though. We're feeling all right. This is where I slid out a couple weeks ago. Gotta take it easy through here. Woo. Oh, that's such a good rut. So I think we're gonna do a few more loops right here and then hit the long loop. Which should be fun. Go the distance. These trails are feeling nice right now. The KLX is feeling good. Time to hit the next spots. Woo! Let's go down by the river. Whoop! Uh-oh. That was real soft. Ew! And we Gucci. Woo! You don't want to be behind one of them 450s. There's gonna be the tricky part up here. I thought that was it, but
Oh yeah, here's the dam.
this should be fun. I don't know about that.
It's hard as fuck.
Yeah.
But if you slip,
What's your look like, Nolan? It's soft as it always is.
Yeah. You might be able to come over this little part. I don't know.
I don't know how deep it is over there. Not that deep.
It doesn't seem that bad. Here.
It's not too soft either.
It's a little soft. Well, there he goes. Go right here. Yes, sir. I don't know. That side's not looking too fun either, though. And this thing's a little heavier than that, so we'll see.
Where are you going?
I think that way. No back knobby. Yeah.
Fix your back. I got vegetation up in my fucking fenders. Look at that shit.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah, that's always the fun part right here.
Yeah, this part sucks, and then there's the creek crossing kind of soft.
That's easy compared to this. This is soft stuff.